basic, you would call them
Kids, calm down. Accompanying parents, calm down as well.
The Silicon Valley's home of science fiction, KTEH.
This particular vice is one that affects other people, and in this case affects a lot of down and out people.
We interrupt your programming to inform you of a civil emergency in your area. Mass break-ins have been reported in Worksha and its surrounding counties. Local police advise you to lock all doors and windows and make sure your family is in a safe location in your house. Do not go outside around 8 p.m. through 6 a.m.